Hi students, welcome back to Study Smart channel. Today is a bonus topic in which we are going to see both chapter 3 and also chapter 11. It is an introduction for both of these chapters and I will explain in a while why I want to relate both these chapters together. Let's start. Okay, chapter 3 is about nutrition, about human's body, about the food that we consume, how the food is being digested, and everything regarding the food pathway. And chapter 11 is about solar system, it's about universe and also stars and galaxy. So how these chapters are related to each other? Okay, I will explain in a while. Alright, before we start to see what is the relation between the chapter 3 and also chapter 11, okay, a brief explanation about human's body. Inside human's body, we have a lot of organs that can actually help in digesting the food that we consume. So normally, any food that we consume it can be burger, it can be salad, or it can be rice. Anything that we consume, it will go through a certain pathway inside our body in which certain organs will work together in order to digest the food and transform them into nutrients that needed by the human's body. So we have certain important organs involved in food digestion. Okay, the first one we have here is mouth. Okay, and then we have the stomach and also the intestine. We have the liver, esophagus, and others. Okay, here comes the interesting part. When I was going through these two chapters about human's body and also when I go through the solar system, I found there's some similarity between these two chapters in which I feel like there is a galaxy in our body. What? There's a galaxy in our body? How is it possible? Okay, of course it's not literally galaxy in our body, but there got some similarity between the galaxies that got in the universe and also the digestive organs in our body. Okay, let's see in detail. Give explanation about the universe and also the galaxy before we see the similarities. Okay, so the galaxy that we are living is known as Milky Way galaxy. Okay, inside the Milky Way galaxy, there got 8 planets in total, and you can see the planets in the picture shown. Okay, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Earth is the place that we actually staying, and then we have billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and the biggest star is the Sun. Okay, this is a brief explanation about our universe and also the Milky Way galaxy before we go into detail. Okay, here comes the interesting part. How am I relating the universe with the human's body? Okay, let's see. First of all, we see that in the universe, we are actually living in the Milky Way galaxy. So, what this Milky Way galaxy are actually being represented by our human's body. Okay, actually, I'm relating Milky Way galaxy with the human's body. So, let's just imagine. Just now we saw there got Milky Way galaxy, and inside got billions of stars, and then we have 8 planets, and then we have the biggest star, which is the sun. So I'm actually relating the human's body as a part of the galaxy itself. Okay, now let's see. Okay, there got 8 planets in the galaxy. So these 8 planets can be related to what 8 things in our body. Okay, those 8 things are the 8 vital organs in the digestive system of our body. Okay, later on I will explain what are the 8 vital organs. And then we study that there got billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and these stars, billions of stars, can be related to the trillions of cells in our human's body. So for now you should get a picture how am I trying to relate the universe and the human body. Okay, the universe, we have the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, Milky Way galaxy is like the a big ball. Okay, inside that big ball that got eight planets and then also billions of stars. Okay, so humans body also, it's like a outer layer. Okay, humans body is like a outer layer of our body. Okay, the skin, everything. So inside this humans body they got eight vital organs that I'm relating to the eight planets. How eight planets for the universe are very important for the Milky Way galaxy. That's how these eight vital organs are very important for the digestive system of human's body. Okay, and then inside the Milky Way galaxy there got billions of stars, and inside our human's body there got trillions of cells. Okay, now you can see how am I trying to relate both the galaxy and the human's body, right? Okay, and here comes the last one. Okay, the most important thing in the Milky Way galaxy is the sun plays a very important part in the galaxy. Okay, because of the sun we all can be alive. Okay, so what do you think the most important organ in human's body? What is the organ that actually controlling our movement, controlling our thinking? Or that organ is very important in order for us to stay sane and also alive. What is that organ? Okay, I hope some of you already got the answer. And yes, that organ is brain. Okay, brain is like sun for the galaxy. It is a very important organ in human's body that actually controlling everything. Without brain, okay, you cannot stay alive. Okay, so that's a very important organ. So now you can see how I'm trying to relate the galaxy and the human's body. Okay, right now we're going to look into the eight planets and how these eight planets are related to the eight vital organs. What are the eight vital organs? Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so here got eight planets. Just now, like I explained, the eight planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, don't worry if you cannot remember the names. Okay, for now, you just need to know there got eight planets in the galaxy. Later on, when I explain in the chapter 11, you will study in detail about these planets. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to relate each of these planet to the each of the organ involved in our digestive system. Okay, so it's just eight vital organs and eight important planets in the galaxy. Okay, let's see one by one. First of all, we have the Mercury. Okay, Mercury planet. I am relating Mercury planet with the mouth. Why mouth? Mouth is the very first digestive organ that involved in the food digestion. Okay, just a brief explanation. Mouth involved in both physical and chemical digestion. Don't worry, we will study in detail in the next video about this. Okay, for now you just need to know the first organ involved in food digestion is mouth. Second planet we have is Venus. Venus can be represented by the second organ that involved in food digestion, which is the esophagus. What is the function of esophagus? Esophagus, the function is to transfer the food particles that is being digested by the mouth to the stomach. Okay, the third planet is Earth. Earth is the planet that we all live on. Okay, so this Earth can be represented by the third organ involved in digestion, which is the stomach. Stomach is acidic, in which there is hydrochloric acid that can help in the digestion of the food. And then we have Mars. Okay, Mars can be represented by the duodenum. Duodenum is the starting of the small intestine. Okay, don't worry if you feel like these terms all are very difficult for you to remember. Okay, for now it's just a brief explanation and also introduction about the organs that involve in the digestion. Okay, later on I will explain in detail in the next video. Okay, now we have Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet in the galaxy. Okay, so just now we saw the duodenum. Okay, when I say duodenum, it is the starting of small intestine. So now after duodenum, what should the organ be? Yes, it should be small intestine. Okay, because duodenum is the starting of small intestine, the next organ will be small intestine. Small intestine is being represented by the fifth planet, which is the Jupiter. Okay, after small intestine, we have large intestine. Large intestine because it is the sixth organ in the digestive system. I am relating large intestine with the sixth planet, which is the Saturn. Okay, now we have the Uranus. Uranus is the number 7, planet number 7. So this one can be related to the seventh organ in the digestive system, which is the rectum. We have Neptune. Unfortunately, Neptune will be rated by the anus. Okay, anus is the last organ that involved in the digestion. Okay, most anus is not involved in the digestion literally. The function of anus is to excrete the feces. Okay, so that is the last organ that involved in the food digestion. Okay, so just now we got see all the 8 planets and I managed to relate all the 8 planets with the 8 organs that involve in food digestion. But how about the sun? I got mentioned the sun is the most important thing in the galaxy, right? Okay, so what we going to relate the sun to? Any idea? Yes, sun will be related to the most important organ in human's body, which is the brain. Okay, like I mentioned, brain is the most important organ in human's body, just like how sun is most important. Sun is the most important star in the galaxy. Okay, students. So this is what we studied just now. Okay, this is a very brief introduction about the galaxy and as well as the 8 digestive organs. Okay. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoy studying this topic because it's just a very brief introduction and there's nothing much to remember in this topic. I hope you enjoy going through the topic. Okay, in the next video, we will see in detail about all the digestive organs. Alright, okay, thank you.